everyone, I'm Miss Global Australia 2018, Rachel Falzon, and today I'm going to show you some makeup tricks that I've learnt whilst on the job. Now, my favourite product at the moment is Skin 02. Now, this has held its place as my favourite product for a very long time. It's the brow shaping powder, and the reason being, as you can see, I had the 90s impact to my eyebrows, so I'm going to show you how to fill them in for that quick and easy look during the day. Important thing is to fill in these angles here. So I have patches here and I have gaps where we used to use this arched brow look back in the day. So I'll show you how, when you fill this in here with this powder, how simple it is. It creates a look so flawlessly. Now I just guide around the edges. So what I do is I take it from the tip here and I pull it through up until around where this angle is at the top. And now for me, where I've got this patch, I just use little strokes just to fill in that gap there. Now you don't have to do it too dark if you prefer a lighter look. I'm about to do a full face, so I'm going to go a bit heavier. And just a little tip from me is that I know thicker eyebrows have been reigning for quite some time, but getting the vibe that they're not so much on the way out, but we're starting to see slightly thinner brows. So they've still got this nice fluffiness about them, but probably don't have that same thickness as you saw over the last 5 to 10 years maybe. Now what I think is really important too is to take along the top here, just blend that line and then bring it down. I think it creates a much sharper look and just neatens up that look. So you can see already, you can barely tell that I've got the patches going on. Now another little trick I do is use the concealer product